So guys, for the first method, you want to just simply unplug your headphones and then plug it back in. See if this fixes your problem. Now for the second method, you want to click on the speakers on the bottom right, and you will make sure that this slider is on the maximum. Select your correct speakers, and then make sure that's on the maximum. Now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in control panel. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to make sure that next to view by, it's on large icons, and then you want to click on sound. And now you want to click on communications. You want to click on do nothing, and then click on apply. Now once you've done that, you want to head over to the playback tab, and then you want to double click on your speakers. And then you want to click on advanced. You want to set this to the highest quality that you have, and then click on apply. If the sound is still messed up, you want to go down one, click on apply, test out the sound quality, go down again, click on apply, test out the sound quality. You get what I mean? So just keep going down and just test out all of them. You could also try to uncheck both of these right here, and then click on apply. And you could also go to levels, and then set your speakers to the highest, and click on OK. Now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then next to the audio troubleshooter, you want to click on run. This will come up, you want to click on it. Wait for this to load. Scroll down and then click on yes. And then you want to run this. If there's any problems, it will fix it for you. Now your problem should be fixed, but if it's still not fixed, restart your computer and then that should hopefully fix your problem.